Hi guys, it's a beautiful day once again and welcome back to Dexter's World Channel. I would like to take this opportunity to make a shout out to J&G's Lettuce Backyard for giving us this very beautiful t-shirt. And J&G's Lettuce Backyard has been a big help to the industry in so far as lettuce farming is concerned, because they're teaching a lot of valuable information. And you can also subscribe to their channel, J&G's Lettuce Backyard, and you can contact Julius. And that is one of the things that we're gonna do here to revive our greenhouse with the help of Julius, the man in the J&G's Lettuce Backyard. For today's video, allow me to once more make some update about what is happening here in the farm. As you can see here, we are surrounded with these chickens and ducks, and what I am very happy about to tell you or to inform you is the new house, the new Nipa hut that we bought yesterday. We really had a hard time, disembarking this Nipa hut from the vehicle because it's quite heavy, and there are more than 10 people helping us carry this very heavy Nipa hut. And if you can look at this is one of the craftsmanships of the Filipinos. Filipinos are good in making Nipa hut and even the chair and the table out of the bamboos, because bamboos here are just readily available, and it's quite cheaper than buying steel or cement. So some of the Filipinos have honed their skills in making this Nipa hut, and you will see that it's elegant. You will see that the roofings is just made of grasses. We call this kogon. I don't know what's in English, but these are also very available here in our vicinity. And we will utilize this Nipa hut for the coffee shop. Of course, you can drink coffee. If you will sit here and waiting for the sunrise, you will feel an extraordinary feeling that telling you that nature really is good. It's good to observe nature, to see birds flying and waiting for the sunrise to appear, and looking at these chickens, looking at these ducks that are very persistent in asking for food. Coming here and observing the natural activity here are the things that would heal your soul. We are expanding our dryland, and this is what I've said in my previous vlogs, and I am just hopeful that though we will expand this, the native birds will not fly away from here. I mean, they will not find another home, because as I can see, these native birds are actually now thriving in the bushes, and I don't know if they will still stay here if we're gonna extend the dryland. But my intention really is to preserve them and leave a portion for them to take a bath and to lay their nest. So these are the things that I have in mind, and in this portion I'm trying to develop an aviary here, and we will also try to develop another greenhouse over there, and even the house of our ostrich. These are really the things that I wanted to accomplish, and taking care of pets, whatever it is, it may be a snake or a monkey or what, as long as it's breathing, will heal my inner being, will heal my inner soul, and eradicate all the stress. Some of us are really like that. We are pet lovers, and some also would really like to cultivate and plant. So we are born unique, and I understand that many persons can relate with me this feeling that if you have a pet, if you have animals to care, you will be healed, and you will feel the joy that could not be explained deep in you. Slowly, we were able to transport the cages of our birds in the old farm, and I made a previous vlog about the hauling of the cages there, and we're bringing it here, and it's already here. I mean, we already have this cage for our African lovebirds, and this is gonna be one of the attractions of this farm, to have a massive cage of our African lovebirds. And this is where we start our selection process. We can raise these African lovebirds by colors, meaning the high mutes and the low mutes will be separated. The Alps 1 and the Alps 2, of course, will have their separate cages. So these are things that are getting better now, because I really preserve this cage because this is quite expensive. I really made this special. This has double doors, if you can see here. I can conclude now that the production of these African lovebirds could easily be done and quickly accomplished if we will provide them with a good cage. Because if we can provide them with a good cage, which means free from the rats, free from other insects, and free from the cats and dogs, they will have the feeling that they are secured. And if they are not secured, they are stressed, they will not lay eggs. Maybe some of you have experienced that they will throw their eggs outside. This is the indication of an insecure lovebird. They are not secure. They are always disturbed. That's why they are throwing their eggs, because they understand that they have produced an infertile eggs because of the stress. So I already have keenly observed what's going on in my aviary, and it's quite satisfying now that since we provided with a good cage for them, they multiplied a lot. And of course, giving them this moringa, as I always mention, and the cattle bones are actually very important as well. So we are hoping to make this farm more realistic now, because we can see here aviaries, we can see snakes in the future, of course with the proper permit from the government, and we will do the landscaping. And that's the time that we can start the business, as what I have always said. So these are dreams that we are, telling you. And, if you have an impression in your heart, meaning that you have this desire, this is already the message of God that you have to accomplish this. And He already have given us the talent to accomplish our mission while we are still here on earth. So thank you guys for watching. I hope you will continue to like and share our videos. And once again, shout out to J&G's Lettuce Backyard. May your tribe increase, because you are a good man, and you will be all the more telling people about the basics in farming. And I hope that you can visit here anytime soon for our greenhouse. So see you in my next video only here at Dexter's World.